Meaning of Edward VI.
Edward VI.
Edward VI.
Edward VI.
Edward VI. Edward VI was an English monarch who ruled from 1547 until his death in 1553. He was the son of Henry VIII and his third wife, Jane Seymour. Edward is known for being a fervent Protestant and overseeing the establishment of the Church of England as a separate entity from the Catholic Church. He also presided over significant changes to the English economy and legal system. Despite his short reign, Edward's impact on English history was significant, as his policies helped pave the way for the religious and political developments of subsequent centuries.